Hey all, well, as you can probably see, I'm not in TRC and I'm not in the mountains. I'm actually in Phoenix, Arizona. I had to come visit mom. And while I was here, I thought, well, let's do a little video. Since we haven't been working on the rock building, we'll do a little video on something else. This little video is gonna be on the F1. Now, what's the F1 you say? That's the little brother to my shop truck. Hey all, welcome back to Steel and Stone Restoration. I'm Eric, and in this video we're going to be building buttresses to support the rock building here. So stick around and check it out. This is what started it all, this truck right here. So now it's almost all done, so it looks pretty good. But when I bought the shop truck, I just bought the shop truck for the engine. I wanted the engine for this truck. So it's a Ford Flathead 8BA 239 cubic inch. It's this is the vision I have for this truck. But when we left Nevada, I only had it about, I don't know, 60-65% done. So my brother's got it now, and he ended up getting it finished, and here it is. So it's a pretty nice truck, and this is when I was building it, because initially I was building it for me. This is what I envisioned, other than some nicer wheels and tires. So pretty sweet truck, sounds good, runs good, drives good. It's got a few more little things. He needs to finish the bed, but he's got the wood to do that. And he's gonna put some nice wheels and tires, because it's got a cool stance. It's dropped about 2 inches in the back, about 3.5, 4 inches in the front. 1951 F1 and half-ton pickup. So we'll fire it up here and we'll check it out, man. We'll check it out. Ignition on, starter button, fires right up just like it should. And pretty sweet flathead there. Electric fan, power steering, alternator, 4-barrel carburetor, aluminum intake. Yeah, I built the engine. Actually, I pretty much did a frame off on this. But like I said, I just didn't finish because we ran out of time. We left Nevada, I sold the shop, I was done. My brother brought it to Phoenix. It sat down here for 3 years. Then he took it to a resto shop and they put it all together, finished the rest of it, got it running and drivable. But yeah, anyway, sweet truck, short video. Be back on the rock building next week, so stay tuned. See you guys soon. Thanks. Bye.